is your boy DS Dan. I am back with a video for you guys. Guys, I have a gem, a grail, the Air Jordan 4 Lightning. About to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. And also, before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. Big shout out to my brother HOLYSNEAKS, man. He came through for these right here. Or his info be in the description below. Make sure you guys go follow my brother HOLYSNEAKS, because you never know what my boy will drop on his IG. Go follow him on IG. You never know the giveaway that's going on with me and my boy JSOLE. Okay, JSOLE, his Instagram and his YouTube channel will be in the description below. If you guys want to be a part of these giveaways, man, I suggest you guys take advantage, because you never know, you could win a pair of kicks, man. I'm happy to be a part of these giveaways with my boy JSOLE. This is his Instagram right here. Okay, I'll show you guys his YouTube channel also. Here's his YouTube channel. Go subscribe to his channel. First off, let me tell you guys what you guys can win in this giveaway. Take a look. You can win any one of these shoes and $350. You can't beat that. All the information for the giveaway is on JSOLE Instagram, and also you can find it on mine. Now let's get straight into these fire shoes right here. This is probably one of the best cops for me personally. This is definitely one of my favorite shoes that's dropping this year, guys. Gotta show you guys, and we gotta start off with the box. Does come in a nice new box with the yellow top. You can see got the flight with the Jumpman, and got that like dark gray Jumpman. Size tag reads Air Jordan 4 Retro. The colorway is Tour Yellow, Dark Blue, Gray. These are a size 9.5. Retail is $220. Inside the box comes with that speckling paper that they've been doing this year, and it comes with an extra white paper. I do these videos so you guys are able to actually see how these shoes look, and you know, you get an early look at them to see if you guys want these shoes, you know. As for quality on the shoe, quality is very, very nice. It's like a, say this material is like a nubuck. It's a soft, nice nubuck on here. Craftsmanship is pretty good too. Usually on Jordan 4s, you will have some glue stains and things like that. My pair came pretty nice. That nice yellow in the front of the toe with the black netting. All right. Yellow laces, doesn't come with any extra set of laces. Would have been nice, it would have came with some black laces. Tongue, you got the flight tag, of course, with the Jumpman, the flight in yellow with that gray tag. Let's take a look at the eyelids, guys. The eyelids, you got that black, a nice shine to it. Look at that shine. As for the color on this shoe, a lot of people are saying, are these like the 2006 pair? I guess these are a little bit brighter, might be just a tad bit brighter, and the gray might be a tad bit brighter. I don't own the shoes, so I really can't tell you. White on the midsole, following with that gray. You got the wing right there in the gray with the honeycomb eyelids, black netting, all yellow upper in that nice soft nubucks. Yes, let's get to the medial side of the shoe. White on the midsole, going towards the front, you got that gray. Black netting, wing with the gray with the black honeycomb eyelids. Just got the Jumpmans in the back with the gray pull tabs in the yellow, all yellow. Show you guys behind the tongue. Does have the Air Jordan upside down with the yellow tag. Behind the tongue also in the gray. The inner sole does come with that nice white comfy inner sole with the gray Jumpman in there. Take a look at that outer sole. You got the gray, the white with the yellow Jumpman. Just looking very, very fresh, man. As for sizing on Jordan 4s, guys, I do recommend you go true to size. I go true to size and you good to go. If you got wide feet, you can go up a half size. But me, I normally stay true and just break them in. You know what I'm saying? Now, as for resale on these shoes, guys, I think honestly, like the 4s, the blue 4s did good. They're at like $350. These right here, man, I have a feeling they're gonna be, from when they first drop, they'll probably go to like $350, but eventually later in time these are gonna go up, man. This is a classic colorway, a classic Air Jordan 4. But I want to know what you guys think about these. All my OGs, all my OG heads out there, what do you think about the Lightning 4s coming back for 2021? Release date August 28th. I want to know what your thoughts is. And everybody else out there that don't know about these are a classic. Back in 06 they dropped. If I'm not sure, you had to get a t-shirt with these. It was just a crazy release. Like, it was so hard to cop, and the resale was crazy. Like, all throughout the years, it was like $2,000 to cop these. I'm happy to bring these to you early. Thank you all for your support, man. Let's get into this on feet. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm gone.